This is a typical boat dock on the Bush River. We're going to start on the outer edges, work our way in, get a feel for where the bass are setting up on the boat dock. Sometimes they're out a little deeper, sometimes they're in close to the shore. Usually, depending on the tide, we'll position them a certain area on the dock.
Nice one coming in.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I almost took my camera out flipping that one in.
Yeah, that's a
nice one. Get that glove off. That's a 3-pound, 6-ounce largemouth. Fishing the boat docks there on Bush River. It's Sunday after the hurricane, and fish are still biting. That's what the bait is right there. It's a Zoom Super Hog, and that's a June bug color. Water's still a little muddied up from the hurricane, so we like to throw something that they can see. This Texas rig, that thing. Alright, there you go. There's the bait. June bug, Zoom. There's the boat dock. About 2 foot of water, 2.5 foot of water. 47 degrees, 47.7 right now. Cool.